For nearly 30 years, HVAC Services Unlimited has served as the Eastern Shore's first Bryant factory authorized dealer.
Consider replacing your existing system with a new Bryant heat pump or gas furnace. Bryant's new Extreme Heat Pump will heat your home using less energy on those cold winter months.
Bryant's Extreme Heat Pump is also the quietest on the market.
Let us replace your existing heat pump with one of these state-of-the-art units.
We have a 2-year warranty on all of our installations.
Plus, Bryant provides a 10-year warranty on all of its equipment.
HVAC Services Unlimited.